You're probably wondering why I have a toothbrush here. Well, actually, you've probably seen it in the title. So I wanted to try this. I don't exactly remember where I seen it. I tried to search YouTube to see if I could find in my history the video I watched. So I don't think it was YouTube. I don't see anything I saved on TikTok. I don't know what it was, y'all, but something gave me an idea to try using a regular toothbrush to use to clean your nails with when you're, getting ready to do your manicure, or just to clean them, get the dirt out of them or whatever. And I thought about it like, you know what, that might be a really good idea, since it's smaller, it's shorter, and the bristles may be able to get under your nail to get all that dirt out better. So just to compare, this is a regular nail brush, and you see how wide it is, but it does have the smaller end, which this is my favorite end when doing my nails. I think this one to me is more for toes, or like for scrubbing your hands, and the bristles are like firm. This one's from TJ Maxx. Yeah, so I wanted to use my Bath & Body Works 60-second manicure hand scrub to clean the inside of my nails before I get ready to do them. So I figured, why not come on and test this out with y'all, and let's see how this works. You can get a toothbrush for $1 from Dollar Tree. You can get one good brand, or you can get a 4 or 5 pack. So you can change them out however often you may think they need to be changed if you do end up using it for a nail brush. But we're going to test it out and see if that really works. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open, head over to the sink so I can get my hands washed and get some water on them, and put a little bit of this scrubby scrub onto my brush or onto my nails, and see how clean I could get them. So this is what they look like now. You guys can see they need a cleaning. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. It says that the bristles are soft, but let's see, comparison. This is much harder. This is a bit softer. We'll see. All right, you guys, I don't have you at the best angle, so I hope my camera does not fall in the sink. Luckily, it's waterproof, my phone. So I have my scrub open and the toothbrush ready. Go ahead and wet it a little. So I can feel the bristles getting under there, but I don't know how well it's cleaning the dirt out. Put a little more on here with my other hand. Don't need a lot of this. It gets really nice and soapy. And I can feel the sugar crystals under my nails too. I can feel the hard pieces. Toothbrush all rinsed off. Still, bristles aren't all crazy and out of place. It's not the best lighting in here. I can't really tell. They look pretty clean, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, they do. Go ahead and dry them off. Put some lotion on them and some cuticle oil, and put on some of my, I'll show you guys, this smells so good. It's Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Ocean Essentials Relaxing Seaside Breeze with natural essential oils, sandalwood, eucalyptus. And I forgot I had that fan on until just now, you guys, so sorry about that. All right, so I'm put some lotion on because my hands get so dry after washing them. I don't know about y'all, but my hands get super dry after I wash them. Then I'm going to use some of my bit of focus Sassy Plus Chic Cuticle Oil and Nail Strengthener from Dollar Tree. This is a really nice thick oil. guys up. Oh, they don't look as good as they did at first. I don't know, to me they look cleaner. It does look like they're much dirtier through the camera. I don't know, but me looking at them up close, I can see that they did get clean. They don't look like it that much, but I see a bit of a difference. So not too bad. I will definitely be using this again. I think it worked just fine. So I think using a toothbrush to clean your nails out is actually a good idea. I like that it has a good grip, so you can really, you know, have that grip, hold on to it and scrub and get them clean. You know, my nails aren't the longest, so really short nails tend to you know, hold dirt pretty good down deep in there. And I didn't, you know, clean them out and do like my manicure and all that stuff on them first. I just wanted to go ahead and try to see how clean I could get them with the toothbrush alone. But I'm not mad at it. I like it. I think it did a good job. So yeah, y'all let me know if you're going to give this little nail hack a try. If I do come across the video once I get done editing where I seen this, I don't know if I was just watching a vlog and someone just took a toothbrush to clean their nails out. I don't know what it was that gave me this idea, but yeah, I think it's a pretty good idea. What I would do though is just, instead of grabbing the one that says soft, I would look for a firm one, because I do like the firmness of this one. This one probably would have gotten my nails a little bit cleaner. I mean, this one would have, if it was firm. You know, like these bristles, they're a little bit harder, and when they get down in there, you know, it's easier for it to pull that dirt on out. But I did feel the bristles going under my nails and getting in there, so not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.